Hello everyone and welcome back to the show. Today, we're diving deep into the world of natural remedies to explore a powerful seed with a rich history, the black seed. Also known as Nigella sativa, this incredible gift from nature has been revered for centuries in traditional medicine systems across the globe. From the ancient healers of Egypt and Greece, to the practitioners of Ayurveda in India, black seed has played a vital role in enhancing well-being. What's particularly fascinating about black seed is its remarkable versatility. It's been traditionally used to address a wide range of health concerns, from digestive discomfort and respiratory issues to skin conditions and immune support. But today we're focusing on an area where black seed has been generating significant buzz: sexual health. Modern science is now catching up to what ancient wisdom has known for centuries. Black seed holds incredible potential in enhancing both male and female reproductive health. It's a natural aphrodisiac that can reignite the spark in your love life. So if you're looking for natural ways to boost your vitality and improve your intimate experiences, stay tuned, we'll unlock the secrets of black seed together. Let's start by delving into the science behind black seed's benefits for men. Gentlemen, listen up. One of the most significant areas where black seed shines is in supporting healthy sperm parameters. We're talking about improving sperm count, motility, that's their ability to swim, and morphology, their shape and structure, all crucial factors for successful conception. Numerous studies have demonstrated black seed's positive impact on male reproductive health. For instance, a clinical trial published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology found that black seed supplementation significantly improved sperm quality in infertile men. And another study revealed that black seed extract even boosted testosterone levels in rats. That's right, this tiny seed is a natural testosterone booster. But how does it work? Well, black seed is packed with potent antioxidants and bioactive compounds, including thymoquinone, which is believed to be the key player behind many of its therapeutic effects. Thymoquinone, my friends, is a powerhouse. It helps protect sperm from damage, improves blood flow to the reproductive organs, and even promotes the production of healthy sperm cells. Now ladies, black seed hasn't forgotten about you. This incredible seed offers a wealth of benefits for women's reproductive health as well. From regulating menstrual cycles to enhancing fertility, black seed can be a valuable ally for women of all ages. One of the ways black seed supports women is by balancing hormone levels. It can help regulate estrogen and progesterone, which are essential for a healthy menstrual cycle and overall reproductive well-being. Additionally, black seed has been traditionally used to ease menstrual cramps and discomfort, providing a natural alternative to over-the-counter pain relievers. Moreover, research suggests that black seed may improve fertility in women. A study published in the Journal of Reproduction and Infertility found that black seed oil significantly improved ovarian function and increased the chances of pregnancy in women undergoing intrauterine insemination, or IUI. These findings highlight the potential of black seed in addressing infertility challenges. As we've explored the remarkable benefits of black seed for both male and female sexual health, it's essential to highlight the crucial role of thymoquinone. This potent antioxidant, found abundantly in black seed, is truly the star of the show. Thymoquinone exhibits a wide range of pharmacological activities that contribute to black seed's therapeutic effects. It's a potent anti-inflammatory, helping to reduce inflammation throughout the body, including in the reproductive organs. Inflammation, as you know, can wreak havoc on our health, and the reproductive system is no exception. Furthermore, thymoquinone acts as a powerful antioxidant, protecting our cells from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage DNA and other cellular structures, leading to a variety of health issues, including infertility. By neutralizing these harmful molecules, thymoquinone helps protect the delicate reproductive organs and promote optimal function. Section 5. Beyond sexual health, black seed's versatility in traditional medicine. While we focused on the remarkable sexual health benefits of black seed, it's important to remember that this incredible seed offers a wide array of health-promoting properties that extend far beyond the bedroom. For centuries, black seed has been a cornerstone of traditional medicine systems around the world, revered for its healing potential. In traditional Ayurvedic medicine, black seed is known as Kalanji, and is highly valued for its warming and digestive properties. It's often used to relieve bloating, gas, and indigestion, In the Middle East, black seed is a staple in many kitchens and is incorporated into various dishes, not just for its flavor, but also for its health benefits. Black seed has also been traditionally used to support respiratory health, ease allergy symptoms, and boost immune function. Its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties make it a valuable ally in fighting infections and promoting overall well-being. Section 6. Incorporating black seed into your daily routine. Dosage and forms. Now that we've explored the incredible health benefits of black seed, you're probably wondering how to incorporate this potent seed into your daily routine. Well, the good news is that black seed is readily available in various forms, making it easy to add to your diet or supplement regimen. You can find black seed in its whole seed form, which can be sprinkled over salads, soups, or yogurt for a nutty flavor and a nutritional boost. Alternatively, you can opt for cold-pressed black seed oil, which is a concentrated source of beneficial compounds. Simply add a teaspoon or two to smoothies, dressings, or take it straight. If you prefer the convenience of capsules, black seed supplements are widely available in health food stores and online. These capsules typically contain ground black seed or black seed oil extract. When choosing a black seed supplement, it's crucial to opt for a reputable brand that uses high-quality ingredients. Section 7. Navigating potential side effects and precautions. While black seed is generally considered safe for most adults when consumed in moderate amounts, it's essential to be aware of potential side effects and take necessary precautions, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. Some people may experience mild digestive discomfort, such as bloating, gas, or diarrhea, when they first start taking black seed. These side effects are usually temporary and tend to subside as your body adjusts. Starting with a low dose and gradually increasing it can help minimize digestive discomfort. It's also crucial to consult your healthcare provider before taking black seed if you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or taking any medications, as it may interact with certain drugs. For instance, black seed may lower blood sugar levels, so it's essential to monitor your blood sugar closely if you have diabetes and are considering using black seed. Section 8. Unlocking a healthier future. Embracing nature's gifts. As we've journeyed through the remarkable world of black seed, we've uncovered its incredible potential in enhancing both male and female sexual health, as well as its wide array of other health-promoting properties. From its potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects to its ability to balance hormones and support reproductive function, black seed truly is a gift from nature. Incorporating this ancient remedy into your daily routine could be a simple yet powerful step towards unlocking a healthier, more vibrant you. Whether you're seeking to improve your intimate experiences, boost your overall well-being, or simply embrace a more natural approach to health, black seed deserves a place in your pantry. Remember, however, that while black seed offers remarkable potential, it's not a magic bullet. It's essential to approach natural remedies with a balanced perspective and consult your healthcare provider to determine if black seed is right for you, and to discuss the appropriate dosage based on your individual needs and health status. So, there you have it, the incredible power of black seed. I encourage you to do your own research, talk to your doctor, and see if this ancient remedy is right for you. Until next time, stay healthy and keep exploring the wonders of natural healing.